Hey everyone, welcome back to Archana Chauhan YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about sentences and its type. Please watch this video till end and for having a complete information about sentences and its type. In English, there are two types of sentences, on the basis of meaning and second on the basis of structure. In this video we will learn on the basis of meaning. As you are seeing on your screen, four parts are given. These are the subparts of the sentence on the basis of meaning. Let's recall them. First, declarative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, exclamatory sentence. And fourth one, imperative sentence. Now we are going to learn which type of sentence come under this category. In assertive sentences, statement, fact, opinion or idea. This type of sentence comes under in assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are also known as declarative sentence. Interrogative sentences. As you all know, in interrogative sentences, all questions are coming, and it is compulsory to end a question with question mark. This type of sentences come under interrogative sentences. And next one is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, command, order, advice or request. These type of sentences come under imperative sentences. In exclamatory sentences, statement with emotions, means someone has a feeling such as happiness, sadness, etc. And it ends with exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. What is the exclamation mark? Exclamation mark are the marks which is in the straight line and under point on it. Here the given data shows that how we use sentences and what is the identification to identify which type of sentence is that. If a sentence telling something, simply telling something, and simply end with the period, means full stop. It's come under declarative sentences. And see next one, interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, if anyone asks question, if any sentence is given and which ends with a question mark, it comes under interrogative sentence. And exclamatory sentence, if a sentence is given which has something emotions, feeling or happiness, sadness, etc., and it ends with the exclamation mark, here a mark is given, that is exclamation mark, line and point under it. Those sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. Imperative sentences gives a command. If someone is ordering, requesting or pleasing anything, these type of sentences come under imperative sentence. And it also ends with a full stop or a exclamation mark. Both are means from both anyone will be there. You can simply write imperative sentences. You are watching a PDF on your screen. The first two part I already tell you that it is a telling sentence, it ends with a period. It is already over. It is a time for example, which is our last part. Let's start it. Declarative sentences. For example, my favorite animal is a horse. My favorite animal is a horse. It is simply telling that horse is my favorite animal. And second one, they made a sand castle. they made a sand crystal. So it is also simply telling that they make a sand crystal. It is a simple sentence and declarative or assertive sentence. So move forward. Interrogative sentence. I already tell you that it is an asking sentence or question mark sentence. It ends with a question mark. Okay? So it's a time for example. So let's start. Interrogative sentence. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? As you are seeing that this sentence ends with a question mark. So it is a interrogative sentence. And one thing is also there. If question word comes in front, for example, some helping word such as is, am, are, was, were, will, etc. and what word, WH words are coming, it also come under interrogative sentences. Did she finish her homework? She is all interrogative sentence. So let's move forward. On your screen, second page of the PDF already open. That's imperative sentence. As I already tell you what is written on the above. It ends with full stop and exclamation mark. Both will be available. You choose any one of them. Close the door. Anyone giving order, close the door. So it's come under the category of imperative sentence. Put your jacket on. Put your jacket on. It is also imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. It shows a strong feeling. I already tell you it's end with the exclamation mark. So in this bracket you can see exclamation mark. So let's see its example. We won the game. We won the game. It is a feeling of happiness. We won the game. So it's come under the exclamatory sentence. How honest they are. They are telling that how honest they are. Means he is feeling happily. How honest they are. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you understand all the sentences on the basis of meaning. Second part I will upload very soon, which contains the sentences on the basis of structure. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. And please don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.